In the last lecture, I've shown you how to read CSV files where another delimiter is used. For example, we had this file where a colon is used as a delimiter. And using some optional arguments passed in to the reader function, we've read the file. Now, let's take a look at dialects. The Python CSV module comes with some built-in dialects. A dialect describes the usual properties of CSV files, such as the delimiter, the quoting mechanism, the escape character, and the line terminator. As we've seen in the last example, we can pass in these individual parameters as arguments to the reader and writer functions of the CSV module, or we can group all these properties of CSV files in custom dialects. To see the existing dialects, we call the list dialects function of the CSV module. Print csv.listDialects. And we see there are three defined dialects: Excel, ExcelTab, and Unix. Now we'll take a look at how to create our own custom CSV dialects. We have this very simple CSV file that uses a hash character as a delimiter. First, I'm going to register a dialect, csv.register dialect. The first argument is the name of the dialect, in this case hashes. And now the properties of this dialect. The delimiter will be a hash character. There is no quoting. csv.quote_none. This means no quoting. And line terminator equals \n. The second step is to open the file, the CSV file. So with open, the name of the file, items.csv. Of course, I'll open the file in read-only mode. So R as CSV file. Now I am creating the reader object, reader equals csv.reader of CSV file, and the dialect is specified with the dialect argument in the CSV reader method. So dialect equals and the name of my new custom dialect, which is hashes. And I'll iterate as usually over the reader object, printing line by line. So for row in reader, print row. Let's execute the script. And we see how it has correctly parsed and read the CSV file. Now, if you want to write to this file, you pass in the dialect to the writer method of the CSV module. Let's see a short example. I'll open the file one more time, this time in append mode. And I am creating the writer object. csv.writer, the name of the file object, in this case CSV file, and the name of the dialect, which is hashes. And I'll write a row as usually using the writeRow method. So writer.writeRow and a tuple or a list. Let's say a tuple. Spoon 3 and 1.5. And I'll execute the script. Now, if I check the items.csv, we can see how a new row has been added. That's all about CSV dialects. Thank you.